This is question number, guys, 32, which I'm going to explain you all. And in this question number 32 is all about print all prime number within a given range. So step 1, which I'm going to explain you all about, define the range first. In this step, you define the lower and upper bound of the range for which you wanted to find prime numbers. In this example, we set the range from 10 to 50. Come to the step 2, we initialize variable. Here you create an empty array named prime numbers where the prime number found within the given range will be stored. Come to the step 3. In this step 3, you use a for loop to iterate through the range of numbers from lower bound to upper bound. Within the loop, you perform the following steps to determine if a number is prime or not. If the number is less than or equal to 1, it is not a prime. If number is 2 or 3, it is prime. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3, it is not a prime. And for other numbers, you use a more optional approach known as the 6k plus by minus 1 rule to check for primality. This reduces the number of division you need to perform. If the number is determined to be prime, it is added to the prime number array. Okay, so come to the step 4, and in the step 4, it is all about console.log prime number between lower bound and upper bound. Console.log prime number, it is showing the when you run this code within the range from 10 to 50, it will output the prime number within the range, and the code is how to find the prime number within the specified range by using loop and primality check. Okay, so when you run this code within the range 10 to 50, it will show the prime number within this range. And this code demonstrates how to find the prime number within the specified range by using a loop and primality checking algorithm based on the 6k plus by minus 1 rule. So this is the question number 32, guys, which I explained you, and let's meet in the question number 33.